My daughter doesn't eat chicken, beef, or anything like that. She's a pescatarian, so for this Christmas dinner, I'm going to be preparing for her some salmon. This is a sockeye salmon, wild caught, that I purchased from Costco. And I'm going to be dressing it with a combination of spring onions, rosemary, garlic, and I'll baste that over it after I give it a coating of salt and pepper. Then I'll just dress it to make it look pretty with some lemon slices. So let's first go with the salt, and this is Himalayan salt. Give it a light coating. These are gorgeous pieces of fish, nice deep orange color. Now we put on the pepper. Then I'm going to drizzle over the mixture that I have to get that infused olive oil in there. And I had this mixture infusing for a little less than an hour, so those flavors would be in the olive oil, the garlic, the spring onion, and the rosemary. And then I'll just dab some around the edges and stuff. And then as it cooks, I'll transfer some of the cooked part onto the fish. And that should be nice and tasty. Let me dab it a little bit. Then I'll put on my lemon wedges. And there we have it. Let me put a prettier one on there. Sockeye salmon. I'm going to bake this in the oven until done, till a little firm, and should be good eats.